True story style nature horror. In 2018, a solo camper in Washington state shared a disturbing experience online after spending a night in Olympic National Park. According to his account, everything was normal until around 2 a.m. when he woke up to the sound of footsteps circling his tent. Assuming it was a deer or another animal, he tried to ignore it, but then he heard something strange. A voice just outside the tent quietly said, "Hello?" He froze. There weren't supposed to be any other campers for miles. The voice repeated, "Hello?" in the exact same tone, over and over again, without sounding human. Too frightened to look outside, he stayed silent until sunrise. When morning came, he unzipped the tent and found no footprints around his campsite, not human, not animal. Years later, he said the thing that still haunts him most wasn't the voice itself. It was that whatever was outside seemed to be waiting for him to answer.